Let's talk about the traversing an array. Um, okay, let this array be a char array. We have a char array, and we have two pointers. One is C pointer. Let's call a just a pointer. I'm sorry, just a pointer. Okay, so this is a character array. These are pointing to the addresses, right? So pointer and C pointer. The address here, let's say it is 4400, the first location. So both of them are pointing to 4400. Okay, and character pointer here, the address here is 4401. This is 4402. This is 4403. It goes on. And let's call it 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on. So we have this status snapshot of the program, and suddenly it executes a statement called ptr plus plus. So what does it mean, ptr plus plus? That means we are this is another way of saying ptr equal to ptr plus 1. And this is a character pointer, so it increments by one address. So when it executes ptr plus plus, it goes to the ptr, it fetches 4400 and adds 1 and saves that value into pointer itself. So this value now changes to 1. So suddenly the pointer was pointing here is pointing to this location. Yeah, again pointer plus plus. What does it mean? We have 4401 increments by 1. It updates the pointer by 1, so it changes to 2, right? Changes to 2. Very good. That means it's now pointing at this location. So that is how pointer addresses gets incremented when we say plus plus. Okay, let me copy this to the PowerPoint so you can review it. Okay, and let's take the next example here. I'll keep okay, and here, okay, let it be 4402 as we saw. Now let's come here. So this is done with pointer plus plus. Now let's take example here. We say just C pointer plus 1. What does it mean? Or C pointer plus 2. Remember, this is just a simple statement I made. So what address is C pointer plus 1 now? C pointer plus 1 gives you 4401. And C pointer plus 2. See, now if you see here, I am not updating my location. I'm just adding 1 and not updating my C pointer. My C pointer remains the same, but I'm accessing an address 1 away from 440, so which is 4401. Now what is C pointer plus 2? 4402, right? C pointer is 4400 plus 2 is 4402. So the difference between just pointer plus plus and C pointer plus 1 or plus 2 is here you update and here you just access the resulting value from the expression. So this is an expression which doesn't update anything, whereas this updates itself. So this difference between pointer plus plus and a simple arithmetic you should know. All right. So if you go back to the program, so here is the program. We have an array. All right. So here an array, we have 7 elements and a character pointer pointing to the first element, CA, right? Here I'm printing the values, updating my pointer. Pointer, star pointer will get me the content, pointer plus plus, right? So it prints each and every array, updating my pointer itself. Initially the pointer was pointing at the first location. As you keep doing plus plus, the pointer gets updated every time. As we know, we cannot do such a thing with CA, right? Because CA is a pointer constant. It always points to the first element, whereas pointer, as we keep updating with the plus plus, it moves the pointer one location at a time. So this is printing by updating the pointer. We have changed the program now. The same array, same pointer pointing to the char array, but here we have declared a C pointer equal to CA. Okay, now it's character pointer, same as the other pointer, pointing to the first element. But if you look at closely at this expression, we are always doing C pointer plus I, right? So it traverses each and every element with the offset without updating my pointer. I'm not doing CPTR, right? Plus plus. I'm not doing like this. I'm only doing CPTR plus 1. So, and in the end, what happening is my C pointer always stays at the first location because I'm not updating here my memory location. So how do you prove it? At the end of it, when you are done, if you print the CPTR, if you dereference the CPTR, is supposed to print 10 again, right? So I'll print here. If I say no change in CPTR, right? So let's compile that. Give me a second. See here, it printed 10 again for me because it was pointing to the first location due to the fact that we are not updating the C pointer. All right. So this is the difference you have to know.